Supervisory, Audit, and Inventory Committee. Accountability and transparency. 4 pillars of integrity at Notre Dame Multipurpose Cooperative. Accountability and transparency are the cornerstones upon which the Notre Dame Multipurpose Cooperative stands, shaping its identity and operations. As a cooperative committed to the well-being of its members of the community, NDMPC has established a robust framework of accountability and transparency that permeates every facet of its existence. The CSEP Series 11 delves into the definitions of accountability and transparency, explore how the committee manifests these principles, and assure cooperative members of NDMPC's dedication and safeguarding their investments and upholding its integrity. Accountability refers to the commitment of individuals and organizations to take the ownership of their actions, decisions, and outcomes. It entails answering to stakeholders, acknowledging responsibilities, and ensuring the promises are fulfilled. Transparency, on the other hand, involves the clear and open disclosure to information, processes, and activities. It promotes honesty, trust, and informed decision-making among all stakeholders. The SAIC committee responsible for internal audit, inventory management, check issuance oversight, and cash counts embodies the deals of accountability and transparency within NDMPC. Through the diligent actions, the committee exemplifies these principles. The 4 pillars of integrity: internal audit, inventory management, check issuance oversight, cash counts. Number 1, internal audit. By conducting thorough and unbiased audits, the committee ensures the financial practices are in line with cooperative policies and ethical standards. Their reports provide insights into financial health and practices, making accountability tangible. Number 2, inventory management. The committee's meticulous recording of inventory and regular physical counts guarantee the accuracy of records, eliminating discrepancies and fostering trust and the cooperative's resource management. Number 3, check issuance oversight. With a well-defined process for issuing checks, the committee minimizes the chances of misuse or errors. The committee's vigilance demonstrates a commitment to safeguarding members' financial transactions. Number 4, surprise cash counts on revolving and petty cash funds add an extra layer of accountability. The committee's scrutiny ensures that funds are handled responsibly and transparently. The NDMPC is unwavering in its dedication to safeguarding the interests of its members and preserving the cooperative's integrity. Through various initiatives and practices, the cooperative assures its members of its commitment. The NDMPC has established clear and comprehensive policies that govern every aspect of its operations. These policies ensure that actions are taken in accordance with ethical standards and cooperative values. The cooperative conducts regular internal and external audits, inviting independent scrutiny of its financial records. This practice assures members that the cooperative financial health and transparent and well monitored. NDMPC encourages open dialogue with members, allowing them to voice concerns, ask questions, and seek clarifications. Transparent communication channels provide reassurance that the cooperative values members' engagement. The cooperative invests the continuing education and training programs that educate members about financial literacy, ethical practices, and cooperative governance. Empowered members are better equipped to understand and appreciate the accountability and transparency measures in place. The MPC actively encourages member involvement in decision-making processes. Members have the opportunity to participate in the General Assemblies where reports, financial updates, and decisions are openly shared and discussed. Accountability and transparency are the foundation of NDMPC's operations ingrained in its actions and values. The committee's commitment to internal audit, inventory management, check issuance oversight, and cash counts exemplifies these principles and actions. NDMPC's unwavering dedication to protecting its members' investments and upholding its integrity through policies, audits, communication, education, and member participation further solidifies its commitment to accountability and transparency. As a cooperative continues to flourish, its adherence to these principles ensures that it remains a cooperative of trust, fairness, and empowerment of its member and the community it serves. Thank you.